We're here today to celebrate a milestone, to celebrate a vision that our team and your community members have co-created.
No one can explain the excitement that the City of Brentwood has.
The time is perfect. Time is now.
We've got 3 new retailers, 4 new restaurants.
There's a lot more in store over the coming months.
This is going to be a place of community. It's going to be a place where we all come together.
Welcome everybody to the patio at the Streets of Brentwood. This is kind of the beginning for me. And then the real fun starts as we start community building and outreach and just working together to really make this a special place, a place that people want to spend time with their friends, family, make memories, find jobs. Whatever it is, we want this to be the place that people think of first.
We're branding this as a community amenity area. Yeah, let's go. We're bringing not just new tenants, but we're bringing 4 new tenant opportunities in 3 buildings. A large lawn area, olive grove, and a whole bunch of seating and shade.
CenterCal, when we heard that you were moving in and we had seen some of the other projects that you've worked on in the Bay Area, we were so excited. And we want people to come together and have community. We want people to bring their families. We want people to sing and dance in the streets. And so I'm just really happy to be here and to be a part of this. And again, say thank you, CenterCal.
The Assemblywoman sent you this. Your steadfast commitment and dedication to serving the people of Brentwood that will foster economic growth and opportunity for years to come on the groundbreaking of this event. Thank you so much.